Do you want the truth? This changes everything. Starting today, we're offering all of you the easiest way to make what we think is the best all-natural lip balm. You won't have to buy multiple pounds of all of these ingredients, deal with double boilers and dirtying all these dishes in your kitchen. All you need is this. This is our all-natural DIY lip balm kit. If you're a person who doesn't like chapped lips and you don't want to put a lot of artificial ingredients on your face, but you like doing DIY stuff, but you don't have a lot of time, this kit is for you. This kit is different from anything else we've found online. It's just the right size. You don't have to buy all of these bulk ingredients. It's super easy. Everything you don't have is already in the box. All you need is 1 teaspoon of olive oil, and you can even add your own essential oils to scent them however you like. And it's fun. I love the satisfaction of every time I use it, I think about, oh, this is something I made. It's so cool. In the box, you'll find this cute little mason jar, and it has all of your pre-portioned ingredients, which is organic coconut oil, organic shea butter, organic cocoa butter, and natural beeswax. You'll also find 8 tubes with their caps, empty ones, a wooden stirring stick, and a pipette to transfer your ingredients from the jar to the tubes after they're heated and mixed. And guys, these make the best cute little DIY gifts. Especially with Christmas coming up, this is the easiest way to get out practical gifts to all those people on your list without breaking the bank. When you place your order, you'll get this cute little kit in the mail. Remember I said it's fast? Well, I'm gonna show you exactly how fast it is. I'm gonna start this timer and make it exactly how you would make it with your kit. First, I lay out some aluminum foil, and then I open the box and uncap and line up the empty tubes. I set the pipette and the stirring stick aside so they're ready, and then unscrew the mason jar lid. The only thing you have to add is 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Now set it in the microwave. This literally takes only 1 minute. Carefully take the jar out of the microwave and stir. Add essential oils if you have them. Then pipe into the tubes. If you don't have your own essential oils, we'd recommend Plant Therapy. We like their oils and their prices are great. We use them in our home, and purchasing from the link in the description can help support our channel financially. And that's it, under 6 minutes. It's cute, easy, affordable, and fun. But there's one more thing. Christmas is coming up, and we want to help our community give a gift in a place that's really going to make a difference. Something we felt a burden for this year was the fight against human trafficking. Every year, around the world and in our own country, thousands of kids are stolen and sold into slavery. So from now until the end of the year, we're going to be donating 10% of our profits from our DIY lip balm kits to Hope for Freedom. Every kit you purchase will help to support their mission to raise awareness, build partnerships, and to bring restoration and healing to victims of modern-day slavery. And we've got even more great news. The regular price for this 8-tube kit is $24.99, which is already a great value. But as a special deal for the launch, the first 100 orders will include an additional 3 tubes and extra ingredients to make for family and friends. That's 11 tubes of all-natural lip balm for just $24.99. And if you're already signed up for our newsletter, you've got a 10% off coupon in your inbox. And if you head over and sign up right now, you'll still get the coupon code. Moisturize your lips, make an easy DIY project with you and your older kids, create something cute for Christmas gifts, and throughout the month of December, help to support the fight against human trafficking. To order yours today, go to OurFamilyB.com or click the link in the description box below. And remember, the first 100 orders are guaranteed 3 extra tubes. And guys, don't forget, Christmas is coming up, and if you want your kit before Christmas, we have about 2 weeks until the last shipping day in order to get it before then. So make sure you get your order in now. So go now, what are you waiting for? Go. Get it now.
You did it, wife, you did it.